solve for x if 2 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s squared is equal to 6. We want to know the value of x. Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this given exponential equation. 2 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s squared is equal to 6. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. We have 2 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s squared to be equal to 6. So this implies that 2 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s squared equal to 2 raised to 6 can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 3. Then this implies that we have 2 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s squared will be equal to what? 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power 1, because 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 1 and 3 is the same thing as 3 raised to power 1. Then this implies that we have 2 raised to power s, let's see, over 2 raised to power 1, because this is 2 and this is base 2. Then will be equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 3 raised to power s squared. Now, this can be rewritten as we have 2 raised to power s minus 1 will be equal to 3 raised to power 1 minus s squared. Let's take the log of both sides. This implies that we have log 2 raised to power s minus 1 will be equal to what? Log 3 raised to power 1 minus s squared. Now, let's use base 3. 3 base 3. So, this implies that we have s minus 1 log 2 base 3 will be equal to what? 1 minus s squared log 3 base 3. Then log 3 base 3, this is cancelled, which is 1. Now, this implies that we have s minus 1 log 2 base 3 to be equal to 1 minus s squared multiplied by what? 1. This implies that we have x minus 1 log 2 base 3 to be equal to 1 minus s squared. Because if you multiply the whole of this by 1, it's going to give you 1 minus s squared. This implies that we have s minus 1 log 2 base 3. Then if you bring minus s squared to the other side, become plus s squared, then plus 1. If it come to the other side, be minus 1 equal to 0. We've just equate everything to 0. Now, this implies that from here, this one is s squared minus 1. It's also 1 squared. So that is different of 2 squared. This can be expressed as s minus 1 log 2 base 3 plus s plus 1 into s minus 1 equal to 0. Something is common. S minus 1 is common. We can factor it out. This implies that we have s minus 1 into, we are left with log 2 base 3 plus s plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, s minus 1 equal to 0. Then s is equal to what? 1. Or we have log 2 base 3 plus s plus 1 equal to 0. Now let's make s the subject of the formula. This implies that we have s to be equal to minus log 2 base 3 minus 1. This implies that we have s to be equal to minus into log 2 base 3 minus 1 and plus 1. It will now be plus 1 because we factor minus out. Then this implies that we have s to be equal to minus into log 2 base 3 plus 1. I rewrite that, but 1 is equal to what? Log 3 base 3. Then this implies that we have s to be equal to minus into log 2 base 3 plus log 3 base 3. Then s will now be equal to what? In one of the law of logarithm, when you add up, you multiply. So we have minus into 2 log 2 times log 3 is equal to what? Log 6 base 3. Therefore, our final answer is s is equal to what? Minus log 6 base 3. Then we have the value of s to be what? S is equal to 1 and minus log 6 base 3. If you've enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.